Tune that son of a gun. This one's called. Well, you know what? That worked out well. That take two worked out real good right there. Conditions, everyone. And wait for it. Action. Call on you, drag your poor body down. Just one thing I ask of you, just one thing for me. Please forget you knew my name, my darling Sugaree. Shake it, Sugaree. Please don't tell them you know me. Shake it, Sugaree. Please don't tell them you know me. Thought you was a cold fool, never could do nothing wrong. Had everything sewed up so tight. Why do you lay awake all night long? Just one thing I ask of you, just one thing for me. Please forget you knew my name, my darling. Shake it, Sugaree. Please don't tell them you know. Shake it, Sugaree. Don't tell them you know. Still have to stand in the pouring rain. One last voice is calling you. I think it's time you should go. Just one thing I ask of you, just one thing for me. Please forget you knew my name, my darling Sugaree. Shake it, Sugaree. Please don't tell them you know me. Shake it, Sugaree. Don't tell them you know. Up now, Sugaree. Baby, I'll meet you at that Jubilee. If that Jubilee don't come, baby, I'll meet you on the run. Just one thing I ask of you, just one thing for me. Please forget you knew my name, my darling Sugaree. Shake it, Sugaree. Please don't tell them you know me. Shake it, Sugaree. Please don't tell them you know. take it, Sugaree. Please don't tell them you know me. Hey everybody, we're here at the Terrapin Station House. This is Steve Matheson, he built it. What was your inspiration for this?
I just needed my inspiration to flow, and I had a really ugly garage, and it seemed to have the right dimensions from the album cover, and I said, somebody's got to do it. I looked it up online, I didn't see anybody replicating it to normal size, and I thought this was the opportunity, and our neighborhood is crazy, and I want to keep it weird.
Yeah, we're here in River West in Milwaukee, and he built this thing to scale. As you can see, the railroad ties are made out of wood and everything, and if you want to get a picture of what it's supposed to look like right over there, you can see the attention to detail that has been done.
Now there is one part that's missing. We have 5 guys in red suits, but we need 2 turtles.
Oh,
and we're about to do a GoFundMe page from a local artist to build those turtles, and we're going to try our best this year to get that done.
Wow.